What if there was a 5-second trick to unlock your child's math memory? Imagine if, instead of dreading multiplication, your child could approach it with excitement and curiosity. Imagine turning frustration into fun with a simple rhythm. When math becomes a game, every child wants to play. We've all seen that look, kids staring at multiplication tables, overwhelmed and discouraged. It's a maze of numbers that can feel impossible to escape. Traditional methods like rote memorization and flashcards can make math feel like a chore. The repetition can drain the joy out of learning, leaving kids disengaged. For kids, struggling with math isn't just about numbers, it's about confidence. Each mistake can chip away at their self-esteem, making them believe math just isn't for them. The real issue isn't the child or the math, it's the method. When we change the approach, we change the outcome. Kids are naturally active and playful, so why force them to sit still and memorize? Their energy is an asset, not a distraction. Learning should be dynamic, engaging their bodies, voices, and senses. When kids move, chant, and interact, they remember more and enjoy the process. It's time to ditch the silent drills and bring energy into math practice. Let's make math memorable, not miserable. Let's turn that math maze into a dance floor. When learning feels like play, every child can find their way out. Ready to see how? Imagine a way to make learning math facts not just easier, but actually fun and memorable. Here's the secret, the clap, say, tap method. A simple 3-step zero equipment trick that makes math facts stick in your child's mind like never before. All you need are your hands, your voice, and a surface to tap. No fancy tools or special materials required. It's perfect for home, school, or even on the go. First, clap once. This sharp sound grabs everyone's attention and signals that it's time to focus and get ready to learn something new. Next, say the full multiplication fact out loud together. 3 times 1 equals 3. Speaking together helps reinforce the information and builds confidence. Speaking out loud engages the brain in a whole new way, activating memory and making the learning process more interactive and lively. Finally, tap twice, tap tap on the table or desk. This rhythmic movement helps seal the fact in your memory, combining sound and motion for maximum impact. This sequence, clap, say, tap tap, creates a memorable multi-sensory pattern that's easy to repeat and hard to forget. It's like turning math into a catchy song or a fun dance, making every lesson feel like playtime. The rhythm, sound, and movement work together to make learning automatic, enjoyable, and something kids look forward to. No more boring drills or endless worksheets, just a few seconds of energy, excitement, and real engagement. Are you ready to see your child light up with confidence and enthusiasm for math? Let's put the clap, say, tap method into action and watch the magic happen together. Let's use the clap, say, tap method with the 3 times table. Start with energy. Your enthusiasm is contagious. Clap, say together. 3 times 1 equals 3. Tap, tap, move right to the next. Clap. 3 times 2 equals 6. Tap, tap. Keep the rhythm steady and the mood upbeat. Repeat for each fact. Clap, say, tap, tap, building confidence with every beat. The pattern makes recall automatic, like singing a favorite song. Suddenly, math isn't a struggle, it's a performance. Why does this work? It's all about multisensory learning. The brain remembers best when multiple senses are engaged. Clapping and tapping activate movement and touch. Saying the fact out loud uses hearing and speech. This creates multiple memory pathways: visual, auditory, and physical. If your child forgets the numbers, they might still remember the rhythm or the movement. It's called dual coding, linking information in more than one way. The result? Stronger, longer-lasting memories. You're not just teaching math, you're teaching your child how to learn. The real magic happens when you make the clap, say, tap method your own. Get creative. Try double claps, finger snaps, or even stomping feet. Let your child invent moves for each times table. Change up your voices, whisper, sing, or rap the facts. The more playful and personal, the more memorable it becomes. Invent a math character, Professor Rhythm or Captain Clap, to lead the fun. Use props like silly hats or glasses for extra excitement. Imagination turns math practice into a game, not a chore. The possibilities are endless. Find what makes your child light up. Make math your family's favorite party. The journey from math frustration to fun starts now. If you've ever watched your child struggle with numbers, you know how quickly confidence can fade. But what if math could feel more like a game and less like a chore? Today, we're turning the page and inviting joy back to the table. You have the clap, say, tap method, simple, powerful, and brain-friendly. This approach uses rhythm and movement to help math facts stick, making learning feel natural and exciting for everyone involved. Say goodbye to boring drills and hello to rhythm and joy. With every clap, every tap, and every silly voice, you're building not just skills, but happy memories around learning. Try it tonight. Pick a times table and turn your table into a stage. Let your child lead the show, and don't be afraid to join in with your own creative moves. Bring energy, patience, and a willingness to be silly. The more playful you are, the more your child will open up and engage. Laughter is the secret ingredient that makes learning stick. Share your creative moves and voices with others. Build a community of math fun. Invite friends or family to join, or record your sessions to inspire others. Learning together multiplies the excitement. The goal isn't just memorization, it's a lifelong love of learning. Celebrate every small win and remind your child that effort matters more than perfection. Show your child that challenges can be fun and creativity conquers fear. When mistakes happen, turn them into opportunities for laughter and growth. Clear the table, warm up your hands, and get ready to make some noise. This is your family's time to shine, to connect, and to make math memories that last. Start the music. Your child is about to become a math rock star. Let the rhythm guide you and watch as confidence and curiosity take center stage.